Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Captain Crunch chicken. You will need 2 chicken breasts, 2 cups of crushed Captain Crunch, 1/2 cup of crushed corn flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 egg, and 1 cup of milk. For the dipping sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of creamy horseradish. Layer your chicken breast between 2 pieces of plastic wrap. Then, using a meat mallet, pound your chicken to 1/2 of its thickness. Cut the chicken into strips, then set them aside until later. Using a food processor, finely crush your cornflakes. If you do not have a food processor, you can use a Ziploc bag and a mallet. Now crush your Captain Crunch. For this step, you want to grind your cereal into medium grains, not as fine as you did for the cornflakes. Set both cereals aside until later. To make the dipping sauce, in a small bowl, combine the horseradish and mayonnaise. Now add the yellow mustard and Dijon mustard. Add the honey, then mix well and set it aside until later. In a larger bowl, combine the milk and egg and whisk until well combined. Now add the cornflakes to the Captain Crunch, then season with the white pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Dredge the chicken into the milk mixture, cereal mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Allow them to sit for 10 minutes before frying. Preheat your oil to 325 degrees, then fry your chicken for 5 minutes or until they are crispy and golden. Remove the chicken from the oil, then place on paper towels to remove the excess oil, and then they are ready to serve. This Captain Crunch chicken is sweet and crispy and everyone is sure to love. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.